10 minutes.
Thank you very much, DG Ravi, for being patient with us.
Thank you for
kindly make your final remarks.
Thank you for allowing me. Now, Dhiren has already stolen my 2 dialogues. I don't know why you allow him to talk.
Why sorry, Ravi? I'm very sorry for that. But anyway, Ravi, you are great.
But of course, being a concluding remark, everybody has to speak before me. So it doesn't matter you are my batchmate or you have stolen my 2 dialogues. The first dialogue was "Peace begins with a smile," which I can see on your face, and which I can see on Pradeep's face, or rather I can see on Pankaj and everybody present over here. They are having a smile on their face, maybe because we are ending the session. This is also a sign of peace for everybody. Friends, it was an excellent seminar, and I really thank you for all the participants like PDG Krishnan, Rotarian Simon, DJ Upinder, and my own 2 batchmates, Kiran and Dhiren. Thank you very much for attending this. Friends, it is always says that India, we have a concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. And this is exactly the concept of this seminar is focusing. And we always say that Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is a theory for Rotary also. It is the theory for our Indian lifestyle also. Rotary, to bring the peace, have several programs which each one of you are aware of it. We have RY programs, we have GSC program, we have ambassador scholarships, we have peace program from Rotary Foundation. A lot of Rotary global grants are educated for the peace and conflict. It is one of the focus area. And let me quote it over here. Dr. Bharat, we have not awarded you today. You have awarded Rotary today. The tears in the eyes for all the participants were vocal to salute you. My sincere salute to you that you have awarded the Rotary today by attending this function and accepting our award. My sincere thanks to all participants, my own districts, Subodh Joshi, PDG Subodh Joshi, DJ Rashmi, Pankaj, and each and everyone who attended this peace conflict today for more than 3 hours. Most of the participants in this, I think more than 80% are Marathi speaking participants. So let me end this with a Marathi quote. Dhiren, you may understand this. There is a Marathi quote which says that Sampali Maifal Zarihi, Sampali Maifal Zarihi, Sura Nahi Sampalele, Sampali Maifal Zarihi, Sura Nahi Sampalele, Rahude Oti Rasika, Az Yethe Aikalele. Whatever you have listened today in this seminar, keep it in your heart, keep it in your mind, and take it to your home. Thank you very much, and good day. I have to attend the next meeting with Shekhar Mehta. Thank you very much, and please continue. My sincere thanks.
Thank you, Ravi, for this good quote in Marathi.
Thank you very much, DG Ravi. I must admit over here, ladies and gentlemen, that but for our DG Ravi Dhotre, international service team would not have come to this point. His is a very, it's a very different type of leadership. It is not one. It's not a leadership which dictates to you. It's a leadership that allows you to blossom from inside. He keeps a note of what things are going on in the minds of his team, and then he allows you to blossom. He gives you the necessary resources, the necessary support to make it a fructified result as you're seeing today. So DG Ravi, I know you are having an important engagement. Thank you very much for all the wonderful leadership you have given. I'm never going to forget this year. Thank you very much. Bye. Okay, I just want to give a little quick time to Pankaj Shah. Pankaj, would you like to say a few words because you had to go away for some time?
I'm sorry that I could not attend the full session because I had a parallel meeting at 1:30 to 1 at the same time. But definitely, Pradeep, it was very nice initiative. And since last 2-3 years, you are doing this continuously and consistently. So I wish you all the best, and definitely this will continue as Rashmi is also there and myself as the incoming governor, both years, and plus more as a strategic plan. This initiative will definitely continue. Thank you so much.
Thank you, DG and Pankaj. You have made up for your absence that time.
Yeah.
Okay, now we have open house conducted by Rotarian Milind Kanitkar and Rotarian Pradeep Dange. I believe some questions may have come from the audience. Please take over, Milind and Pradeep, and you can now ask a few of the questions to the speakers if they're around here, and rest of it we will be forwarding to them. Go ahead.
Hello.
Huh.
I didn't see any specific questions over here. Pradeep?
Pradeep Dange, please unmute yourself.
Hello. Hello, good afternoon again. And we have questions for, unfortunately, Krishnan. I read Krishnan left some time back. I saw his message, but if he's there, he can answer or somebody else can take up. First question is from Rotarian Mohan Krishna Shrestha, President of RC Dillibag, Kathmandu. He is asking how RI is going to promote peace in the world in post-COVID days. Peace is now important focus area among Sikhs.
I think Mr. Krishnan, is he still there or would
No, he has left. I saw
Okay.
his message here to go.
would somebody else like to answer it?
Yeah.
Father Varghese, you have any take on that? Are you there? Anybody can volunteer, whoever. Kiranlal ji, aap batayenge? Not hearing.
All working for peace and prosperity. And we are doing this. And we are doing at every level, club to club level. That's why we are serving in this pandemic. This is one kind of peace. You can bring the people of the, those who are migrating from abroad. More than 10,000 Nepalese are coming over here, for example. We are providing food, shelter, isolation. That is peace for them. How you can have peace? What is needed? That is a peace. If you're hungry people, they got a food, that is peace. If there is a war, if there is a calm down and calm, that is a peace. How you define a peace? As a Dhiren Datta and Ravi has told, peace is within you. There is a one bhajan, Achutam Krishna bhajan. भगवान आते नहीं, तुम तो बुलाते ही नहीं, भगवान को कैसे आएगा? कौन कहता है भगवान देता नहीं? तुम मांगते ही नहीं अच्छी तरह से, मांगना चाहिए ना। तो कैसे मांगते हो वो वैसे देखता है। इसके लिए अपने आप को शांत होना, अपने आप को ठीक होना पड़ा तो आते हैं ना। पीस भी यही है ना।
बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे।
शुद्धिकरण करो, पहले अपना
अच्छा विचार किया है आपने।
आप पहले रोटरी में क्या आता है? फैमिली फर्स्ट। मार्क मॉरेज हैज सेड फैमिली फर्स्ट। पहला परिवार फर्स्ट। परिवार में आप ठीक हो, अपने भाई ठीक हो, अपने बच्चे ठीक हो। जब बच्चे घर में लड़ते हैं, जब मियाँ बीवी झगड़ते हैं, कैसा पीस हो गया? तो पीस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम विद इन योरसेल्फ, देन आफ्टर पीस, देन योर बिजनेस prosperity, then you can contribute to Rotary. They can enjoy the fellowship. When you have a fellowship, the peace will come.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Kiranlal ji. Very well said.
Yeah.
Pradeep Dange, I have one question in the question answers, which says, can we not take more sessions with prisoners and in terrorist areas to practice peace by resolving their basic demands without getting political? Would any panelists like to answer that? It's a very sensitive question. Would someone like to answer that?
Yes, I can if you want to.
Yes, sir, please.
Well, the question is very relative, and we have been doing all this in our Bhopal, the area what we belong to. We go down with the peace committee to all the jail areas, and probably we try to motivate them under the system what the question is asking for. But there is a level of government influence all the time, how much you can motivate them for the peace system, because there is a limitation from the government itself. But whatever we can do, we are doing that, and the result is fantastic. Whenever small prisoners who are coming out, they come to our Rotary system, and in our club, we invite them in the club also, maybe a criminal, to speak about what change he has brought from the jail to our learnings. This is what we do normally. Everybody can do in their own areas. Thank you.
Thank you. Pradeep, do you have further questions? Can you
Yeah, I
please?
have 2-3 small questions. It won't
please
take
go
much
ahead.
time. Next question is regarding, I think this is also for Krishnan, no one else. I don't think.
No, you can go to the next one.
I'll read the question. It's
No, leave
about George Floyd case in the Minnesota and similar instances in the world. Is Rotary doing anything for current violence in the USA?
I think we'll leave this. We'll pass on the question
Yeah.
to him and he'll answer it. You can
Specific
take the next
USA,
one.
So I
Yeah,
don't think
yeah.
much. Next question is for Subodh Joshi, PDG. Subodh Joshi. It's from
there?
Adip Mehta. Will there be any more rallies? That is first question. I don't know whether Subodh is still there.
Milind can answer it. Milind Kanetkar. Milind, would you like to answer that?
Yes, yes. There will be a rally which is getting planned in the month of September or maybe in November in northeast states of India and Bangladesh, Myanmar. So that is going to be the next rally in coming future. But because of this COVID-19, it may have some influence on the dates which are to be finalized.
Hello. I am better person to reply. I am better
Yeah,
person.
please.
Okay.
Yeah, please
Can
go
you
ahead.
hear me? Yeah.
Yeah, Rashmi, please.
Yeah, we are planning rally, ladies rally in South India. And just now I was typing the message for Upender Singh from Pakistan. That, yeah, so
From
we were
Pakistan.
planning.
He's from
India.
our own
He's from
India.
Jalandhar.
Yeah, sorry.
Jalandhar.
No, he was, sorry. He was talking about that Peace Park, and I messaged Subodh that please come enter again to Peace Seminar, that we were planning to visit that Gurudwara with car rally. But still, of course, everything is dependent upon COVID situation. But that is my ambition that in January or February, we will be planning that car rally.
Thank you,
Okay.
DG Rashmi.
Thank you, Rashmi. There's one more question for Subodh only. How was your New Zealand rally in terms of peace?
That I can't. That I was not there. So
Can you reply
that
this?
I can't reply, please.
It was an excellent visit over there to all the clubs, and all the people have received us very well, and everybody was of the opinion that Rotary is contributing to the peace all over the world, and it was wonderful to talk to the general people in New Zealand and take their views on the international peace. So everybody was aware that Rotary is doing a good job in this avenue, and they were confident that Rotary can take this matter further in the whole world.
Thank you.
Okay,
Pradeep Dange, just one question has come from Mehul Chimtankar. Read that if you can.
Yeah. I'll read Mehul's questions. This is last question. This is for Dr. Kedkar. Your work is outstanding. Do you recommend people from other professionals to participate in such missions?
I think is he there? I think he would have gone because he's a doctor and he has so many emergencies to attend to.
No, I'm still.
Oh, he's there. Please, can you take the question, sir?
The thing is, MSF doesn't work only with doctors. There are doctors, nurses, logisticians. In fact, 60% of them are not related to clinical things. So there is always a backup system for that. So anyone can enroll MSF, Medicine Sans Frontier, and they can certainly contribute the way from their expertise. What is required are usually available on their websites, different websites. MSF India has also got some website, and even non-doctors also can participate in this work. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. And I'm done with the questions.
Yeah, Pradeep, thank you very much, Pradeep and Milind Kanetkar, for conducting this. I would like to just tell all the attendees, especially that we have just started a polling for you. If you go to the bottom of your screen, you will find a poll, sort of 3 bars going up. Click on that, and then you will be able to answer some feedback questions. So, for example, it says, are you satisfied with the webinar? Then did you find the talks interesting? Did you get some useful takeaways from this webinar? So just please answer them immediately in the next 5 or 6 minutes. We'll just have a quick vote of thanks from Pradeep Dange. Go ahead. Sorry, Dr. Verghese, give me a minute. Dr. Verghese wants to say a few words. Let's first.
Yeah.
Dr. Verghese, please unmute yourself and then talk. Please unmute yourself. Rohit Tanna sang unmute
Yeah.
karayla.
You know what I want to say? You have skipped a question.
Huh.
Can you spend 2-3 minutes on that question for
Yeah, which
open? I think it's George Floyd's that question which was asked. We skipped it. Can
No,
we?
that is because Krishnan is not there. But if you would like to comment, yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, I just want to say it is not an issue in America and racism. As a Rotarians, everywhere all over India, this takes place, discrimination, racism, in India also. But the question is, what do the Rotary do? Do we speak up? That's the question. I think personally, Rotarians is an international organization, incredible organization. Everywhere, we need to at least speak up. We need to make our point clear because we are going Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam and to have all that. I think it's a very important question they asked. All of us has to take that seriously. And I think we are very indifferent and very silent. This is not true to Rotary.
Okay, thank you for that caution, Father Verghese. I know you are very forthright in whatever you say, and when you talk, it's from your heart. So
Yes,
we take that
I
message
do.
from you.
I do.
Yeah. Is there any other